As the National Army Day approaches on April 18, Deputy Commander of the Iranian Army's Ground Force Brigadier General Amir Nozer Namadi sat down for an interview with MER correspondent during which he explained the Iranian Army Ground Forces achievements in different fields. We must have an updated organization. For that reason, in recent years, we have developed rapid reaction units, offensive mobility units, mechanized offensive units and all the equipment needed in the field of ground warfare. Fortunately, we have achieved all of these inside the country, and this is a great success, General Namadi said. Today, the army is equipped with a very strong electronic warfare and UAVs suitable for different missions, he added. One of the most advanced and largest Iranian drones ever built by the IRGC, and the specifications and equipment used in it, the Gaza Drone show the significant progress of Iran in increasing the country's capabilities in the field of UAVs. The Gaza Reconnaissance Combat Drone, capable of carrying 13 bombs and 500 kilograms of equipment, as well as a 35-hour flight duration up to a radius of 2,000 kilometers, and is capable of conducting a variety of combat and intelligence operations and greatly enhances and promotes Iran's military capability in the region. Gaza Drone is very similar to the US MQ-9 Reaper drone and is compared to this in terms of operational level. According to the published images, it seems that Iranian experts have succeeded in building such a drone by using past experiences and studies on American-captured drones. The Gaza Drone, with a wingspan of 21 meters and a length of 11 meters, has a speed of about 350 kilometers per hour, and its maximum takeoff weight is 3,100 kilograms and is capable of carrying cargo weighing at least 500 kilograms, and its flight altitude is about 35,000 feet. Therefore, due to the large size and heavy weight of this drone, a turboprop engine has been used. This is the first time that a turboprop engine with this power is used on an Iranian drone. Exact information about the power of this engine has not been published yet, but according to the published images and general information about the drone, it seems that the Gaza Drone uses a turboprop engine with nearly 650 shaft horsepower. Another noteworthy point in this drone is the use of a more advanced electro-optical system than previous drones. This system, which seems to be one of the most advanced Iranian electro-optical systems, in addition to a day vision camera with a zoom power of at least 100 to 120 times, also has an infrared sensor system, laser designation, and laser illumination capabilities. One of the highlights of this system is the use of a catadioptric lens that increases the magnification ability several times, and this is the first time that it has been used in Iranian drones. Amir Ali Hajizadeh, commander of the IRGC Aerospace Force, regarding the weapons capability of the Gaza Drone, stated that this drone is capable of carrying 13 bombs. In the published images, a device similar to the rotating bomb system used in bombers is seen. And given the space under the drone's fuselage, the drone appears to be using a rotary bomb launcher under its fuselage that can carry up to 5 bombs. If this is true, this is the first Iranian drone to use this mechanism. Due to this improvement, 5 bombs will be installed inside the bomb bay and 8 bombs will be installed under the wings, and in total, this drone is capable of carrying 13 bombs. Iranian Sadad fire and forget missiles weighing up to 34 kilograms, 13 of which weigh up to 442 kilograms, can be one of the types of missiles that can be used in the Gaza Reconnaissance Combat Drone. Iran built a wide variety of drones after 2010, with names like Yasser, the Hudhud, Roham, Yamadi, Sarar, Rod 85, Hamasa, and Hazm 1. Much of this was designed to experiment and show off a large inventory. Adam Ronsley, an expert on Iran's drones, said that Iran created models that didn't go anywhere, boasting of just 1 or 2 prototypes. What separates men from boys in drones is the network space and pushing imagery and data to people who need it. Iran's Colonel Akbar Karimlu noted in the spring of 2020 that the IRGC zoo of command was rapidly increasing its communications abilities. He told Tasnim News that his drones were advancing in using video imaging, geographic information systems, and increasing ranges beyond 100 kilometers. He pointed to the Ababal 3, Mohajer 6, and Shad 149 as examples of his latest models. Iran's goal after creating a drone force was to use them to harass its enemies. It had used them against Iraq in the 1980s. Now the great game would begin. Tehran sketched out an arc of countries where it wanted to project its influence. This would begin with the near abroad in Iraq and extend to Syria, Lebanon, Yemen, Sudan, Gaza, and Afghanistan. The Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman would receive overflights of Iranian drones. Could Tehran go toe-to-toe with the Americans on drone power? The US was overstretched. It sought to establish permanent combat air patrols all over the world by having drones in the air 24 hours a day, called CAPs, in some 240 locations. In the end, America only could manage about 60 of these surveillance combat air patrols, which is a problem because there are more than 60 small locations full of terrorists and enemies that need to be monitored. To break the Americans, Iran established a network of drone bases along and south of the Strait of Hormuz. These would be located at a desert airstrip on Keshmi Island, near Bandar Abbas and the port of Bandar Jask, as well as at Minab and Konarak. At Konarak, Iran would base its new Shad 129, modeled on the Predator. Ababal 3s would fly from Minab and Bandar Abbas beginning in 2010. A new airstrip would be built at Jakagar in 2015. By this time, Iran had a lot of experience moving its drones around. It had sent them to Syria and based them at a desert base called Tiyaz, or T4.